But if you think that's wild, wait until you see what we got wrong about one of the most famous space images ever taken, the Pillars of Creation. You've definitely seen this image. It's one of the most iconic photographs in astronomical history. Captured by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, these towering columns of cosmic gas and dust, where new stars are being born, look absolutely breathtaking with their rich golds, deep blues, and fiery oranges. It's stunning. It's been on posters, textbooks, and screensavers for nearly 3 decades. But here's the truth that most people don't realize. Those aren't the real colors. When this image was first released, millions of people assumed they were seeing the pillars exactly as they appear in space. Natural colors, captured by a telescope, right? Not quite. The reality is far more complex. The Pillars of Creation image is actually a composite created from multiple photographs taken using different filters that capture light wavelengths invisible to the human eye. We're talking about infrared, ultraviolet, and specific wavelengths emitted by different elements like hydrogen and oxygen. Scientists then assigned colors to these different wavelengths to create what's called a false color image. They do this to highlight different chemical compositions and structures that would otherwise be invisible or indistinguishable. If you could somehow float in space next to the Pillars of Creation and look at them with your own eyes, they would appear mostly as faint, pale clouds, not nearly as vibrant or dramatic. But here's the beautiful part. Those false colors aren't lies. They're translations. They're showing us real data about temperature, chemical composition, and stellar activity that we simply couldn't see otherwise. The colors are artificial, but the information they represent is absolutely real. So the Pillars of Creation are still incredible, just not in the way most people think. They're a perfect example of how space photography is as much art as it is science.